What would you need to do to make your singing time video short, sweet, and to the point? Any ideas? Let's talk about it! Who would have thought that as a music leader, you would have to be really good at teaching music, but now have to be really good at making a video too? What? Yeah, there's a little bit more required of you, but it's possible and super awesome because you're developing a new talent. A short video is an effective video. No matter what the length of your video currently is, I would invite you to make it shorter. Even try to make it half the length. And as you do so, you will find that the content you cover will be more informative as well as better received by your viewers. How do you make your video sweet on the eyes of the viewer? Here are a few ideas. First, organize your thoughts. An outline will help you stay on topic and stay organized. Second, lighting is super important. What you'll want to do is stand in front of a window and face that window so that the window light is coming onto your face, and have the video in between the window and you. That way, it's a lot easier for the audience to see what you're doing. I've seen some videos where the individuals actually stood in front of the window and had the camera facing them with the window behind them, and that doesn't look very good. As you can see, this isn't ideal lighting. It becomes difficult for the viewer to see your face, see what you're teaching, and be able to relate to you. And the third way you can make your video sweet on the eyes of the viewer is to position your camera correctly. This can be possible through a tripod, and there are several that are sold on Amazon. I'm going to link to a few of them in the description below, but here are some photos of things that you could get. These are phone tripods that have a little clicker that starts your video for you and ends your video. It makes it so much easier to keep the editing down at the end, to be able to click and click again. There are other tripods that also have lights on them. So if you're not getting enough light on your face, this could also be another great option. And it may be possible that your ward is willing to pay for something like this. You may be able to get reimbursed. The way you make your video to the point, is to edit. This is the best part about making a video because you don't have to keep anything. You can get rid of anything you want and you can add anything you want. It's ultimate creativity. When I record my content each week, I end up editing out 75% of what I recorded. And it doesn't really matter because you're getting the best of the best. If you don't have a video editing software, I would suggest looking into some. All of these are free and easy to use. With any Apple product, there is iMovie, which is really easy to use. The app that you use with Android is called InShot. It's really highly rated. And with any PC that has Windows running on it, you can use the video editor. And as you practice editing, your videos will get shorter, more to the point, and it becomes even more fun. I invite you to make your videos half the length that you normally would, and just see what happens. Watch as your videos transform to become more informative, intentional, and more entertaining. You can do this! I believe in you! As you make your videos short, sweet, and to the point, they will become 100% more effective. You are doing so wonderfully, so keep up the good work. And we, as a stake primary presidency, are cheering you on. See ya!